We'll start by opening up one of our practice files, which is included on the disk with this training course. To begin, we'll go to the File, Open Command. Notice the associated toolbar button. Word will display a list of the files at the last location that you were working, or in this case, the default folder, My Documents. If we wanted to change the location, or if our files were not displayed here, we simply click into the Look-In and change the drive or change the folder location. For instance, if we go to C, here are a number of different folders we could select from. We'll return to My Documents. Now we could do so from this list, or in the left-hand side here we have what's called the Places bar. I'll simply select My Documents and it will return me to this location. Here we have a list of the files of this folder. One of the ways to change the list is to go up to the upper right-hand corner of this dialog box and change the views. For instance, if we want to see a detailed list with date and time, for instance, this is available. We can also go to Get Properties. This is information such as the date it was created, was last saved, and so on. Or we could go to Preview. This is a great feature when you simply don't remember exactly what you called something, or it's just a way to confirm that in fact you do have the correct file. We're going to go to a file called Letter, and we'll simply open that up here by either double-clicking or by choosing the Open button. Next, I'll show you how easy it is to move through your document text using both the mouse and the keyboard. To use the mouse to move through the text, you can simply point and click, or go to your scroll bars. In this case, I'll go over to the vertical scroll bar and click on the down triangle or arrow. If I could not see all of my text horizontally, I could use the horizontal scroll bar as well. Keep in mind, scrolling simply changes your view of the insertion point, but you always have to make sure that you reposition or move exactly to where you want to type. We'll look at other techniques for using the scroll bar when we have a larger document on the screen. To work with the keyboard, there are a lot of different techniques that are very quick and easy. Certainly, to move a small amount of space, you can use your arrows. Move up or down, left and right. But obviously, this is not as efficient as some of the other techniques. If we want to go to the beginning of the line, simply hit Home. End of the line is the End key. Page up and page down will move a screen at a time. If we want to move a paragraph at a time, up or down, we pair that with the Control key. This will take us to the beginning of each paragraph. Control, up or down. To move to the right or left a word at a time, simply hold down Control again and move Control right or Control left. And finally, to return back to the very beginning of the document, Control Home, or at the end of the document, Control and the End key. We're currently looking at this document in the normal view, which focuses on text entry. And in the normal view, when you're at the bottom of the document, you'll see one more line. This horizontal line is called the End of Document marker. It simply indicates how far down you have entered text, or perhaps hit your Enter key.